Welcome to the latest episode of Thyla Bites. In this episode we're going to be looking at the tracker den site evidence. In particular we're going to be looking at the alleged footprint that we found at the immediate entrance of the den. Moving forward with our actual analysis now, reviewing the habitat of the den site location. We know that there are numerous sightings of thylacines in this area, particularly post 1936. There was an eyewitness account, a tracker's account of finding a dead thylacine in this area in 1990s. In fact, very close to this site. There were 7 live captures of thylacines within a 20 square kilometre radius in the late 19th and early 20th century. Very, very close to where the last thylacine was captured. The actual site evidence, we took a carnivore scat, bone fragment, and of course we recorded and cast the footprint. Now just having a look at the actual print. For reference, this torch here, it's Chris's torch, that's about 100mm long here. Definite claw here, potential evidence of a claw here. The thing that actually made us most interested about this potential print is these grooves here. And I've got several photos that we'll go through now to provide further clarity. Slightly different angles. Again, the claw here, and this angle in particular I really like for showing potential dermal ridges in the plantar pad. Claw there, ridge, and this is probably the best photo of the lot, looking straight down and being separately artificially illuminated to show some of the detail, claw, dermal ridge type arrangements here. So this is that same last photo. So let's have a look at specimen thylacine footprints. This is the classic Jeremy Griffith poster footprint. This particular one is a front footprint because it's got a 5th claw. I said in the video, and I still think that if this is potentially a thylacine footprint, it's going to be a rear footprint because of the fact that there are only 4 potential toes evident. This is the Barbara Triggs one. This is a rear footprint. The thing that I like about Barbara Triggs' ones is that they're modelled off direct implants from thylacine museum specimens, is that the angle of the toes is correct rather than this one here where they're out. This one is actually going in, and we see that in the ink silhouettes that are in Barbara Triggs' book, page 52 from memory. A front footprint and a rear footprint. If you see a rear footprint with potentially a plantar pads or the heel showing, very rarely the heel show, but if it was to have a 5th toe in it, you'd have to start questioning that as being not legitimate, because no 5th toe would show in that particular case. So the plantar pad and the dermal ridges, these areas here, and you can see it here, this was the thing that got us most interested. We see lots and lots of prints, and people who have seen our videos of us doing field investigations will know how rare it is for us to actually stop and take detailed photographs and cast an actual print. We do it very, very rarely because of the fact that we can readily identify the vast majority of prints. This one we're not so sure of. The dermal ridges in this area, and that particular sort of clean sort of cut that you have there. And of pointing out the toe here and the reference for the same toe in the ink outline. So what is it? I guess not clear enough to make a definitive assessment, and in this instance, because it's a print that we've found, I've decided not to give it a skeptometer reading at this stage, but I'd be really keen to hear what everyone else thinks. Is this a thylacine, a footprint? Is it an anomaly? Is it some other animal? Really happy to take your feedback on this one, and also to potentially hear your skeptometer readings. That's it. Talk to you soon.